Hi, in this video, I will tell you how to make bootable pen drive by using Kali Linux, and the application will be Ventoy. In a window, we can easily create a bootable pen drive, but in Kali, it's a little bit tough. So, we are going to install Ventoy. We have to search Ventoy, and as you can see here, the Ventoy is first on the site. Here you have to download the package of Linux. This is the Linux, and after downloading this, yeah, it will take little bit time, and I have already downloaded it, so you can see here. Yeah, here is my Ventoy downloaded files, and and you have to extract this file, and this is the extracting folder. Open this and open terminal here. After terminal opening, follow these lines as I am writing there. Yeah, I am doing this. Now you have to write sudo dot slash ventoy web.sh and giving your password, and there will be a link. You have to just copy and paste into your Chrome browser or whatever you are using. Yeah, now select those pen drive which you want to make bootable. Now install this. You can install. After installing, you have to just paste there that operating systems which you want to make those bootable. Actually, the pen drive has been become the bootable, and now I am going to make this bootable pen drive of Kali Linux. So I will paste it to there. Whatever you want to install the operating system, you have to just paste there, and finally it will become, and I have pasted there. Now thanks for watching. Thank you very much.